Kurumirira uteti muingi uri uthiite na mbere gwakiriria bururi-ini, Kanju ya ngwataniro ya makanitha niyuritie thirikari gutiganiria uteti na ithenya-ini riu marutire ya Kenya wira. NCCK niyuritie atongoria ya makanitha kwaga gwitikiria ateti kuhurira uteti KIGONGONA-INI na ningi matige kumatugagiria hindi iria maruta mihothi no maigananie AKRISTIANO othe na ateti acio.
We will not allow politicians to address congregants inside the church and will instead advise them to speak to the people outside the church building after the service.
Ona mundu oka na mbeca icio ekurehe kana kiheo giake no twende kanitha iririkanage ati ina wira wa kwamukira itekwanirira ona kana gwikira igongona o riothe tondu kiu nikio kihoto kia andu aria othe mokite.
All politicians who attend worship services will be treated the same as all other worshippers.
Nimoritie thirikari kumurika ngarama ya muturire ria thiete na mbere kwambatira na gikiro kinene. Makiria mamurike thogora wa maguta na kunyihanyihia magoti maria matumite maguta magie goro kuri mavururi maria turigainie.
Nitumenyete hatari nganja ati maguta thiini wa mavururi ma makuhiriirie na ithui actually mena raithi gukira bururi witu na nitui ona ni maturihaga thogora muna o maguta mao mangigakinya kwao no ithui tugatigwo na maguta mena goro.
Ni mararakitwo ni mabilioni maingi ma mbeca maria makoretwo makiugumio motungata-ini ma thirikari kumana na bururi gukorwo tari na uge mitambo-ini iria koretwo ikihuthika.
With reports indicating a loss of Kenya shillings 11 billion to fraudulent claims in just 6 months, it is clear that public resources are being siphoned while our hospitals remain under-equipped.
Nitwaheirwo SHA na Kenyans tondu magiciragia ni kindu kiega nitweciragia ni gugiteithia Kenya.
No marenda kamite ithura mehaka IBC kugacirithia utungata wayo kuri muingi meherie ciuria iria Kenya makoretwo nacio ciegemaini na utungata wao niguo macokie mwihoko kwi muingi.
We will remain objective and non-partisan and will not endorse or oppose any political party or leader. We will remain aligned to and stand for peace and justice while holding political leaders accountable for their constitutional mandates.
Githurano kingikorwo gi kiega mundu uria wahotwo akahotwo uria kwagirire mugikwa igaga muingatwo na kihoto ndacokaga no muingatwo na njuguma ni acokaga.
Gaturu kadeto ari thirikari gutigirira mutugo wa kuhuthira nyanake micemani ya kiuteti no wahuka kaimana makiuga ateti amwe makoretwo makihuthira anake aria matari na mawira na njira njuru makienda nginya mwandikithia wa ciama cia kiuteti gukinyukiria ciama iria cianyitikana na mahitia ta maya makinya marumu.
Paying a young Kenyan as little as 200 to 500 shillings to disrupt a meeting or intimidate a fellow citizen is not just a security issue, it is a grave violation of human dignity. We condemn this weaponization of poverty, which converts our children into disposable infantry for the political elite.
Hadu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kehumo.